Sorry about that little problem, but ooh, take my cool headphones. Look, I'm so freaking cool in these. Anyways, I wanted to show you that up video. But it's in the headphones. So I'm gonna try recording it, and if it works, it works, and if it doesn't, I'm really, really sorry. But I freaking love you so freaking much. So freaking much. If it doesn't work, I'll just see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Okay, here we go. Hope it worked. We'll see.